My video is about removing the adware called QueueWindow. QueueWindow is the adware from the adload family. This particular adware, once installed, may periodically show its intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. In case this QueueWindow was installed to your Mac computer, of course you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware urgently. To remove this adware, here is what you need to do. On your Finder, check your applications. Locate this QueueWindow, right-click on it and move it to the trash. In case you identify anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button, install it, and start researching this system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.